Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. We're looking at stocks and indices as they are surging quite progressively to the upside. This is due to the fact that America is moving potentially away from recession talk. We're having the Fed later, well in a few hours actually, rumors are that 25 basis point rate hike is on the cards. And it's looking likely it would be the last one for a while. So it's going to be quite muted for the next few months from the Fed, but they're looking to really start pushing for this 2% inflation target that they've had for a couple of years now, ever since we went up to 9.1% this time last year. So are we going to see another push on the dollar? Is gold going to keep on sinking? And are we going to see more moves on the indices? Well, the Dow Jones has seen, not record highs, sorry, yearly highs that we haven't seen since February of last year. We've had the S&P surging higher and higher as well as the Nasdaq, and we've had artificial intelligence stocks and technology stocks such as Apple, Microsoft really boosting their earnings as well. So lots to get into, but let's just have a quick look on the Dow first of all. So I've got it on the daily chart. I just want to emphasize where we are with the Dow. So after a few spikes to the upside here, as you can see, we've confirmed at the moment that we are ending yesterday's session higher. And as I said, roughly just over a year high. Where do we go from here? Well, if we get past this particular event, which is in the middle of 34,000, we could actually keep pushing high to 35,000. That's the next target for a lot of bulls. We are expecting just a slight correction, but nothing too much before we start testing roughly about 400 to 500 points to the upside. And just to get a feel of how the Dow has progressed quite significantly, it's on an 11-day winning streak, and it hasn't actually done this in a number of years and only a few times since 1945. So it's quite incredible that the Dow has actually bounced back from these really choppy indicators here, because after seeing some resistance at this particular level at 34,000, there was expected to be another dip back down. But as you can see, the Dow has held its nerve and kept on moving higher as well. So just look on the 4-hour chart. We're just seeing on the intraday where we are looking next. On the RSI, we have got this overbought area, which has started pushing price action lower. But as you can see, another move higher has seen this divergence come into place. I'll just remove most of these drawings. It's a bit easy to see. So we've got a little bit of a divergence on the Dow at the moment, and that's giving us a possible correction on price action. So prices are expected to move a little bit lower, possibly towards the lower regions, towards 34,000. However, it is now looking likely that earnings season is really getting off to a good start. As I said, we had Microsoft yesterday really beating expectations, which wasn't surprising. We've got a host of other big technology stocks to go, as well as the small cyclical stocks. So just keep an eye on the earnings season, because they really can start pushing indices and obviously the dollar alike as well. So just have a quick look on the S&P, because we can't look on the Dow without looking on the S&P. Just got it on the daily chart. I just want to zoom out, because ever since really we started moving away from this particular barrier here, we had this V-shaped recovery. It took a while to do because it had an impulse equivalent. However, since then, and we've broken the particular line here, we've seen these highs now again from just over 1 year ago, so a little bit like the Dow. So indices are falling into place at the moment. We're just seeing what the next move is for a lot of the stocks. As I said, keep an eye on earnings season, because these are really driving these indices as well. The Fed is up tonight, like I said, 25 basis point rate hike. So we're looking to see if that's going to really start moving in the strength of where we're looking at the moment as well. Just a quick look on the Nasdaq as well. Just keep it on the daily chart, because I just want to see the emphasis that's going at the moment, and we'll just see where the next move is. So once again, we're just creeping up to these yearly highs that we didn't see since February, March, April of last year. So we're just waiting to see. All eyes on the Fed, like I said. So let me know what you think. We'll post this video on our YouTube channel and on Telegram, and so we'll see what happens tonight. So very exciting news. As I said, could it be the last one that the Fed is doing, or will we see more in 2023? Let's wait and see, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.